Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Food. During summer, we use the barbecue most of the time. We love grilling steaks, burgers, hot dogs, fish, kebabs, and other foods. Another summer favorite of mine is salad. With all the fresh produce out there, I can't stop making them. Here's a great recipe that is topped with grilled shrimp. Yum! In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my grilled shrimp summer salad. This is a plate filled with flavor, with fresh ingredients like mango, red pepper, avocado, English cucumber, perfectly grilled shrimp, along with a lovely dressing. This is certainly an amazing meal for this season. So my friends, let's get cooking.
First, we'll make the dressing. In a small bowl, we'll add sweet chili sauce, which you can get my homemade recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Then orange juice, as well as lime juice, grapeseed oil or any other flavorless ones, honey or agave nectar, either one, some sesame oil, followed by pressed garlic, just one clove, and a little bit of minced ginger. We'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll give a good whisk to combine the ingredients, then taste and adjust if necessary. We'll cover and transfer to the fridge for at least 1 hour. Next, we'll make the basting sauce. In a bowl, we'll add clarified butter, then fish rub, which you can get this amazing homemade blend by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, and hot sauce. The one I use is Frank's chili lime. It gives a nice flavor. We'll whisk until everything is well blended and set aside. Now, we'll put the shrimp on the skewer one end at a time. I like to start with the tail first. It makes it easier. And leave some space in between so they grill evenly. When we're done, we'll take our basting sauce and brush it on the shrimp on both sides, making sure they're well coated, then set aside. Before they go on the barbecue, we'll assemble the salad. First, we'll put some lettuce on serving plates, followed by diced cucumber, then red pepper, also diced, thinly sliced red onions, some mango, wow, look at the rainbow of color, awesome, and finally, avocado that we tossed with half a tablespoon of lime juice to prevent it from browning. Alright, we're ready to grill the shrimp. When the temperature reaches 500 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll place the skewers, close the lid, and grill for 2 minutes per side. When they're done, we'll place them on top of the salad. It's so gorgeous. I'm hungry. Well, now drizzle on some of our dressing before adding dry roasted peanuts, which is optional. Finally, we'll sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley and garnish with a lime wedge. And my friends, this is our grilled shrimp summer salad. Packed with fresh ingredients, this colorful salad is absolutely delicious. It's summer on a plate. If you're looking for a tasty, light, and refreshing meal, this is a great choice. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!